Welcome to TechieTalkee. Hello friends, in this video I'll be explaining about assignment operators in Python. So assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. This snapshot shows the various assignment operators that we have in Python. I'll be explaining on each of them in detail with examples. First we have the equal to operator. This operator in general assigns a value to a variable. Let me show you with an example. I'll give a equal to 7, and if I give print a, the value gets printed, which means I'm assigning the value of 7 to a variable a. Next, we have the plus equal to operator. So what does that mean? I have a equal to 7. If I give a plus equal to 2, it means a equal to a plus 2. So if I execute this code, I'll get 9. So this means we are adding 2 to the existing value in the variable a. Next, we have the minus equal to operator. So what is minus equal to? It's again the same thing. A equal to a minus the value. So if I print this code, I'll get 5, which means a equal to a minus 2, which is 7 minus 2, and hence 5 gets printed there. Next, we have the star equal to or the asterisk equal to operator. So the asterisk is used for multiplying two values. So if I give a asterisk equal to 2, it means a equal to a into 2. So 14 gets printed there. The next assignment operator that we have is slash equal to. So slash is nothing but the division operator. So if I give a slash equal to 2, it means a equal to a by 2. If I execute this code, I can see 3.5 being printed because 7 by 2, and the result will be the quotient of the division. The next assignment operator that we have is the modulus equal to. As we know, when we divide a value by another value, we'll get the quotient and the remainder, and this modulus operator will return the remainder. So if I execute this code, I'll get 1, which is the remainder of 7 by 2. Next, we have the double slash equal to, which is the floor division. So if I give a double slash equal to 2, it means a equal to a double slash 2. The next operator that we have is the exponent. If I give a double asterisk equal to 2, it means it is a equal to a to the power of 2, which is 7 to the power of 2. 7 into 7, so 49 will get printed on the screen. The remaining operators that we have are bitwise operators. So for now, I'll ignore those operators in this video. Please check out to my video on bitwise operators for more of these assignment operators incorporated in it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me at techietalkee@gmail.com. Happy learning and have a great day.